Hey guys, it's Mike Scully here. Today I want to talk about what would I do if I had to start freelancing again. 2024, it's currently, what month are we in? We're in May. And to be honest, the main person this is to is the person that has nothing, thinks they have nothing, or else the person that has inconsistent clients. They're not confident in their skill set, they're not confident in fulfilling, not confident in the lead flow. And I was in that place. I was in that position. I was in the position where I had nothing, where I had inconsistent lead flow, and that can happen. That can happen for people to people for absolutely years and years and years. And this is a painful place to be. It's a difficult place to be. It's awkward. Now, with this, the main thing you want to do here is build a personal brand. To me, a personal brand, there's nothing better than, there's nothing more consistent than, because you're constantly growing your following, you're constantly growing how many followers you have, the supporters you have, and people will genuinely support you no matter what you do. And that's the absolute beauty. So, okay, you're selling, let's say, landing pages. I sell landing pages, that's what I do. Now, if I want to sell landing pages through my personal brand, that's fine. But if I want to change it to coaching, that's also fine. So you have a lot of more options rather than putting yourself on an Upwork post or doing outreach on Upwork all day and requesting, can I work with you, can I do this and that. And in reality, it's a painful way to actually grow and get clients. It's difficult, it's awkward, it's frustrating. You can't really do much with your life because you can't guaranteed scale. You can't have that guaranteed income a lot of the time. And some people I know, they're at 2, 3, 4, 5,000 a month and they don't know how to scale further. So these are all difficult situations to be in. If I was to start again, I would learn a skill. Let's go back to the basics. I would learn the basics of a skill. I would learn how it works rather than how to actually functionally do it. For landing pages, for example, I would learn how everything should look, how everything should appear, but I won't actually bother learn how to use a builder like Card, Framer, WordPress, etc. Waste of time. I would learn how to showcase my skill with Figma. Okay, now Figma is a design tool, so I would learn a design tool, Figma or Canva, Figma preferably. But to do the development, I'm not learning that. Not a hope. It takes too long, it's too much effort, it's too much work. What I can do is I can charge someone, even in the beginning, $50 for the project. $50, and I can get someone else to do it for $50. So my profit is zero, but I've now not had to put in hundreds of hours to learn this skill set and actually fulfill in that regard. Okay, you're going to put hundreds of hours into learning how to design, or how the copy should be written, how the automations should flow, what it should look like, etc. Whatever your offer is. But when it comes to actually fulfilling the hard technical work, don't waste the time. Really don't. There's specialists, there's experts doing this for a lot longer than you, and it's not worth your time. Your time is best focused on marketing. So pull attention. How do you get attention? You need raw attention. And once you have enough attention, you can always sign more clients, right? Always. Remember, back to this personal brand, grow that. Have your lifestyle sign you clients. Have the words you speak sign you clients, and your expertise and your skill sets and your social proof. So when you actually fulfill for these clients, whether it be outsourcing or whatever, you can actually start pushing that social proof back onto social media. And this is where you build authority. Okay, so it's like a cycle. That's all it is. It's a vicious cycle where you can get clients consistently because your brand. You create content. These are the steps, right? Literally write this down. Create daily content, fulfill for clients, do DM outreach if you want. There's no issue again for that. Get a DM setter. You don't need to do this yourself. Get a DM setter and close a deal. Give them a percentage of closed deals. So you have to be more intelligent with the way that you do all this. Where is your time best used? Where do you have the most leverage? And it's content marketing. That's pretty much it. You're a marketer. That's what you are. You're a salesperson. And you need to get into that mindset of learning sales and getting used to all this. Okay, as the bikes go past. But yeah, once you learn that and you focus on that, and that's your sole focus, you will scale. And once you realize outsourcing is important, take a little bit of profit, put it on, leave it on the table, let someone else have it. Now you're getting more clients. That's my opinion, how I would start again from zero if I was to create content and build a personal brand and sell a service from it today, 2024.